In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. If you're building a site that feels great on every device, understanding breakpoints is essential. Breakpoints let you fine-tune your layout for different screen sizes so your design looks professional, readable, and consistent whether it's viewed on a desktop, tablet, or phone. Start by opening your site in the Wix Studio editor. This is where all your design controls live. Once your site is open, head to the top toolbar and switch to responsive or breakpoints mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see options for different screen sizes across the top of the editor. This mode shows you how your content adapts as the width changes, so you can make precise adjustments without guessing. Next, choose the breakpoint you want to work on. You'll see standard options like desktop, tablet, and mobile, and you may also have custom widths your team has set for specific devices or screens. Select one, and the canvas will match that size. As you switch between breakpoints, keep in mind that some changes are specific to the selected breakpoint, like layout, spacing, and positioning, while others, such as brand colors, fonts, or content, often apply across all breakpoints. If you're unsure, make a small change and preview another breakpoint to see whether it carries over. Now refine your layout for the chosen screen size. Start with sections, check their height, padding, and alignment so content doesn't feel cramped or too spacious. For grids, adjust the number of columns and rows to match the available width. On wider screens, multiple columns can create a clean, balanced layout. On smaller screens, reducing to one column improves readability and flow. Use consistent gaps and margins so elements feel connected and intentional. Move on to images. Ensure they're set to the right fit, fill, or fit so they don't crop awkwardly or distort. Keep focal points centered on what matters most, like a product or a face, so important parts of the image remain visible at every size. For text, scale font sizes thoughtfully and adjust line spacing to maintain legibility. Long lines are hard to read, so keep line lengths comfortable on desktop and prevent text from feeling oversized on mobile. Repeat this process for each breakpoint you plan to support. By opening your site, switching to breakpoints mode, selecting the right size, and adjusting sections, grids, images, and text, you'll create a responsive design that looks polished everywhere.